Hi! I'm excited to share with you another package I got off of Etsy. This time it's from the Etsy shop A Simpler Time Finds, and this is the mini vintage mystery box. Let's get started. So I went ahead and cut open the box, but I have not opened it yet, so I will do that with you all. And I really like how it's marked handle with care fragile, and that's all over the box. And then she's got these cute little thank you stickers she put all over it. And then now before I open it, so for the mystery boxes, she has several different options available, and I'll show you those. And she also has items she has already purchased, and you can see what they are and buy those. But she has like a mini vintage mystery box. She has a color themed box, I believe, a Christmas one, a fall one. So just pretty much anything you might be interested in. But when you order like the one I did, you let her know kind of your preferences. And so these are the preferences I shared with her. I said I like farmhouse and cottagecore stylings. I like to do puzzles, scrapbook, and crochet. And as far as like decorating in my home, I like little decor to put on my shelves. And I like tiny vases and small florals. So let's see what she picked out. So right away, I really appreciate the packaging, that it's so nicely packaged that I don't have to worry about anything breaking. So there's one thing here, I'll set that aside. Another item here, that's two. Third item. And then a cute little thing. Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. Oh, and here's a note. Thank you for your order. I hope you love your vintage finds and that they arrived safe and well. Please message me with any item questions. I strive for satisfied customers, Maddie. Very cool. Okay, let's start with this one. Oh, it says vintage Taiwan made mini vase with florals 80s. That is cute. And I said I like mini vases. And I don't have any that look like this, the tall, just straight cylinder. That is cute. And I love that she tells you what it, like I wouldn't have known this was vintage Taiwan. Made in Taiwan, so I don't know, but I do like the tag. That's really cool. All right, let's see what's in this one. All right, this one says vintage sunflower girl bell, 1990s Taiwan, and she's cute, and the bell is in here, but it's kind of taped up, but she's cute. And actually, I've thought about buying some little porcelain things and repainting them to be, have you seen those where they like repaint them to be a Disney character or just a character from a book or a movie? And I always thought that might be fun, but she is cute, so I don't know. I might paint her, might leave her as is, but that is cute. I do like her. All right, here's the last one. That's cool. It's like a pitcher and it's got these florals on it. It feels like it's porcelain. If I could put flowers, I could just set it out on its own. It says vintage Lefton jug with fleur applique. I think that's how you say it. From Japan. Cool. So this is what I got in my mini vintage mystery box, which is $15 from a Simpler Time Finds on Etsy. I think it was cute. It actually, she got things that I would use and put on for decorations. And like I said, you get to tell her what you're interested in, and then she goes and curates the box from what you say. It's not just something she had on hand. So yeah, go check her shop out. Really cute. I might have to do like a Christmas one or a fall one come that time of the year. But I just really love that these are things that have been pre-loved and that aren't going into landfills, and they're going back to be used again in other people's homes. And so I just wanted to support a shop that does something like that. And let me know in the comments below what other Etsy shops you think I should check out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.